Alright, good afternoon. Here's another 7-mile Riverside route that you could use. I know we've already created a 7-mile route, but this is another variation on it just in case you're interested. So you start basically the same spot, just to the east of the shot put area. Okay, so a little bit closer to the track. And again, a half mile is approximately where the tunnel is underneath South Fry Road. Then your mile mark is going to be through the tunnel at Spring Green. But instead of heading to the north side, you'll curlicue by the Cinco Ranch Lake House, and then continue to head towards the bridge. You'll stay on the south side. Your 2 miles right here. You'll cross the bridge right here, head north, and then head west. Alright, until you get to Cinco Terrace. You go through the tunnel right there. And then you'll head along the path on the north side. You're 3 miles just before you get to the park. And then you continue to head towards Cinco Ranch Point Drive, You'll curlicue so that you head on the south side of the path. 4 mile marks right there. Alright, then you'll go back through the tunnel, and then you'll head south again, retrace your steps, almost like a out and back kind of course. 5 mile, close to the 2 mile. Alright, head along. You got about 1.5 miles in this area left. Okay, there's your 1.5 miles with 1, 2, 3, about third, fourth house. You'll head back towards the Cinco Ranch Lake House. Go along the same path. Your 6 mile would be at that tunnel underneath Spring Green. You got a 1/2 mile left basically as you go through the tunnel at South Fry Road, and head back to the start on the east side of the shot put area. Awesome.